it's still looking like Christmas over here. A lot of these companies don't take down their Christmas tree till like the end of January.
I love that pool. Really love that pool.
Oh, babe, look.
Nice.
This was on sale for $8. It's the Bubbly Fresh Gel to Foam Cleanser. I'm gonna try this out because I got like a drip of my Youth the People cleanser left, and that cleanser is not cheap. So I was just trying to find something else, and I didn't feel like going into the mall. So I also I needed a black liner, a good black liner. So this girl at Ulta suggested this, and they had so many liners, but I chose to get this one. They had like the thick liner, like the one that makes where you kind of grind the bottom, twist the bottom, and it comes out. I didn't want that because it makes my eyeliner look real thick, and it typically don't last long. Once that thing break off, that's it. And I got some Morphe lash and brow comb and control. Y'all know I don't really have any brows, so hopefully this will make me look like I got a little bit. So I just got on some glitter, y'all, for the sake of the holidays, and I just like glitter. I mean, what girl don't like glitter? I want to get these, but I want to see what the price of them are, because grapes be expensive, super expensive. These look so good. Let's see. Excuse me, can you check the price of these? Because look what I found. I'm steady trying to buy some blush and found this blush kit. Very pigmented, but I was looking for either a dark burgundy or orange, so don't even have to buy none. I found this going through my makeup. Yes, I'm cooking some yellow rice, y'all. I just took down my sewing. Don't even want to go there. Restocked up on us some vitamins. I just cleaned. I'm gonna make some black beans as well. And there's some chicken in the oven and broccoli. And Georgia wants some of this ginger tea. I make this with vanilla, almond milk, and honey. Ooh, so good, so good.
Very nice.
This is so beautiful. Smart. Y'all, look at this bathroom. Me and Giorgio need a bigger bathroom. This is so beautiful. Look at that big old tub. And everything in this apartment is smart. So you don't even have to have a key. Oh, OMG. And this apartment is convenient to everything. There's a Target, there's a mall, there's Bath and Body Works, there's a Marshalls, there's a TJ Maxx. It's so much going on. This is the 780. We want, look at that kitchen, y'all. We want,
We gotta step off so I can get a better reception.
okay. You want to just go to the car?
Yeah. So yeah, I like this one.
This is beautiful. So y'all, We were looking for something just a little bit bigger.